My name is James. I'm the property manager here at St Dominic's College. Part of my role here is the upkeep and maintenance of the buildings, and we've decided to roll out more solar. St Dominic's College is a private secondary college in the Penrith region, catering for around 1,000 boys a year. We have 5 double-storey buildings around here, catering for different needs. We have general office spaces, general classrooms, we've got science labs, metalwork, music, woodworking, STEM and art. In terms of our energy use at the college, our main one would be air conditioning. It's fully air conditioned in every building. Other than that, it'd be lights and then our woodworking, metalworking rooms. We had an original solar rollout in early 2000. We had an audit done in 2019 that said it wasn't really producing anything or saving us any money. So that's when we got in touch with Instyle to replace it. Our monthly bills with the old system was about $10,000 to $15,000. With our new solar system, we're looking at about $5,000 to $8,000 a month. So that's about $5,000 to $10,000 worth of saving depending on the month. The college values sustainability and looking after the environment, and solar is a big part of that. We've recently started a sustainability committee. We started return and earn with bottles and cans, and we've also got rainwater on our ovals for irrigation. Yeah, I definitely recommend Instyle Solar to other colleges. The original presentation was fantastic. The installation team was great. They worked over Christmas. I didn't have to chase anyone. It was fantastic.